Inkra, could you make that direction sign bigger, please?
Huh? Oh no, I'd run out of power.
I know! Animi, if you could bring the go-kart to life, we can keep racing.
Giant baby dolls!
Inkra! Animi! Come back!
How are we going to stop those baby dolls?
I have no idea. But if we work together, I know we'll find a way. Twisters! Let's go!
A giant roller skating baby? That's not something you see every day.
It thinks we're a toy car! If it wants a toy, then let's give it one. Morphle, please morph into a giant teddy bear.
Oh no. It wants to cuddle.
We gotta get it back to the Magic Pet Center so Inkra and Animi can turn it back to normal. Watch out! Inkra, Animi, zap that giant baby!
This is getting out of control. Don't those babies ever get tired?
Jordie, that's it! You are a genius!
I am.
Yeah, babies need nap time. So let's play them a lullaby to put them to sleep. Morphle, morph into a music box.
Wow!
Okay, let's make these babies sleepy. Hey, babies, check this out.
Doesn't it make you really sleepy?
Inkra, Animi, zap them!
See, when we work together, we're all winners. Butterfly! Did you hear Daddy's got a surprise for us?
Morphle loves surprises.
Here I am!
Wow!
Whoa! It's a train!
Who wants a ride?
Me!
All for one train.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Morphle's taking the train on a joyride.
And he doesn't know how to drive it! We'll get the train back, Daddy!
Be careful!
Here's your cake, Officer Freeze.
Watch out! Whoa! Sorry, Officer Freeze!
Slow down! You kids be careful.
Look out, Morphle!
Oh man, how are we going to catch up to Orpho now? Oh, like that.
There he is! Wait, does Orphle know you can't drive in sand? And now he's stuck.
Choo-choo, now go!
fine for anybody, Orphle, if you don't get it to the park.
Awful sorry.
We forgive you, Orphle.
Come on, buddy.
Thank you.
I have an idea. Let's fly it there, Morphle. Yahoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Thanks for getting the train back.
Yay! Orphe's train!
Orphle.
Okay. Everybody's train.
Oh, I missed. Your turn, Jordie.
Oh, I missed too.
Bigger, please.
Thank you. Good thinking, Morphle.
Cry.
Winston, are you okay?
What? I wasn't crying, but I can't find my cat, Claude.
I don't know what I'd do if I'd lost Morphle. Where did you last see Claude?
At the animal sanctuary. I was halfway through giving him a present, and he ran off.
Well, let's go back and have another look.
I guess that makes sense.
Claude!
Where is he?
Inkra, could you shrink that head to see if Claude is behind it?
Well, he's not there.
Could you shrink those trees, please? Tiger! Morphle, morph into a speedboat! Phew. We'll be safe here.
This isn't the cat I wanted to find.
Morphle, get us out of here. We're safe. Did we just get sneezed up by an elephant? We have to find Inkra and get back to normal size. Monkeys! Morphle, do something! Quick, Morphle, go into that cave! Save us! Save us! Yay! We're safe!
But we still haven't found Claude.
Don't worry, Winston. We'll find him. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center to think where Claude is. Huh?
What's that?
What?
Claude! I was so worried about you. Would you like the rest of your present?
Oh, so cute! I'm not sure Claude agrees. Who's that? Wow! A new magic pet!
Hello, Petport.
The bandits! Stop making all that noise!
Ha! That distraction worked. Now I can have my very own magic pet. Ha! Ah! Huh?
What just happened?
Oh no! We've swapped bodies. You're me and I'm you.
It's time for you to leave, bandits!
Let's get out of here!
Huh?
Wait! I'm not Winston! I'm April! Are you two okay?
Never felt better. See ya.
What's up with April? Let's find out what's going on. After them!
Do you want to go back and grab that magic pad?
Nope. Let's do some painting.
Jordie, what are that new pet's magic powers?
According to my pet primer, his name is Swap Slop, and he can make people swap bodies.
April and Winston must have body swapped!
Huh? We need to get Swap Slops back from Winston. I mean April. I mean Winston.
There they are! Winston, stop!
No way.
I love painting.
Winston's being so nice today.
Hey, give back Swap Slop!
No way.
Never forget him.
Let go.
Swap Slop! Swap April and Winston back again.
I'm me again.
And you're you again, Winston.
Ugh.
Can we do some more painting?
No, we can't. Come on, let's go.
I preferred him when he was April.
Morphle wants see. Morphle wants see.
It's a surprise, Morphle. You gotta wait.
Happy Matchiversary, Morphle!
Morphlecake Matchiversary.
Yeah, to celebrate the day we became a magic match and best friends.
Morphle love Mila.
I love you too, Morphle. Happy Matchiversary, you guys.
Thanks, Jordie. Now, how about some cake?
I want cake. Yum, yum, yum. Morphle? Morphle cake. No, Morphle.
Hey, guys, why don't we all...
No! Phew, I got you, Cake.
Cake mine. Morphle cake.
Oh, we'll get your cake back. A magic match promise.
Morphlecake, here we come!
Morphle cake.
Orphle, wait! We can all share! Catch you, Jordie!
Phew, that was close.
No fair!
I can't see Orphle. Maybe he's given up?
I don't know, Mila. When has Orphle ever given up? Guys, there must be another way to settle this.
I know! Morph into a speedboat! Slow down, Morphle! The cake's getting wet!
I'm getting wet too.
Watch out! Morphle, save the cake! Yes! Got it! This is fun! Morphle, next time you want some cake, you just have to ask nicely.
Cake ruined.
The cake's not ruined. We have exactly 4 pieces. One for each of us.
All for 2? All for 2.
Finally!
Happy Matchiversary, Morphle.
Morphle love Mila. Morphlecake.
That was delicious.
Our first Thanksgiving together.
As one big happy family.
Yay!
Who's ready for dessert?
Ooh, I can't wait for your famous pumpkin pie, Mom. Just wait until you guys taste it. Oh, the yummiest pumpkin pie in the world. No, Telepup. This is for everyone.
Down, Telepup.
Where they go?
We gotta find them, quick! Let's go!
Get us down, Telepup. Calm down, Telepup.
Jordie! Telepup, where are you?
Mila! Morphle! Up here!
Help! Morphle, morph into a helicopter.
Leave it alone, Telepup.
Telepup, the pie is for everyone. Come back to the Magic Pet Center so we can all have some. Let's keep searching, Morphle.
Telepup, stop being so naughty.
How are we going to catch a teleporting pup?
Morphle, no idea.
I know! Morphle, can you morph into a ball, please?
A ball?
Yeah, that's the only thing doggies love more than food. Oh, Telepup, look what I've got. When you get to the trees, morph into a net and catch Telepup.
Okay, Mila.
Jordie, quick, run back home.
What? Not again.
Oh, no.
Telepup, can we just go back to the Magic Pet Center?
Morphle, the pie!
I'm thankful we can all be together.
And I'm thankful for my new mom and brother. And of course, you, Morphle.
Morphle thankful for Mila and pie. Come in, ready or not.
That tickles! You got me! Now I'll tag Jordie. Tag! Where's Catmo?
There you are.
Tag!
Don't be sad, Catmo.
You just need to find a better hiding place. Wow! Morphle, Catmo tagged you.
Let's tag her.
Where's Catmo?
We'll never find Catmo in all the snow. Unless we move some of it out of the way. Look, it's Catmo! Morphle, can you become something a little speedier, please? There she is! Careful! It's slippery! Tag her! Tag her!
This isn't supposed to fly. Nowhere to go, Catmo.
Wow!
Catmo's in the snow fortress.
And we're going in after her.
Wait, the door is not open.
It was a snow door, Jordie.
A door is still a door.
Get her!
This is becoming impossible.
There she is! Catmo, this game has gone out of control.
Catmo, wait! Being caught is part of the game of tag. It's fun.
Ready to play again? Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, how'd you guys like my tap dancing?
Amazing, Mila.
Okay, Jordie, your turn to try my tap dancing shoes.
Well, I'll try. I don't think I'm very good at this.
A little help here, please, Animi?
Wait! Whoa! Awesome! Whoa! Not so awesome!
I can't stop dancing! Oh no, we've got to help him!
What's on that?
Oh! Hi, Morphle.
What's Jordie doing?
Nothing. Just taking a walk.
Jordie dancing fast!
I can't stop dancing!
Ah, Jordie, no go! More dancing!
We'll stop your dancing, Jordie!
Ah, no stopping! Dancing funny!
I can't stop! Or change direction! Help!
Morphle! Morph into a crane and grab Jordie!
Thanks, Morphle.
Don't worry, Jordie! We'll fix this!
Jordie, keep dancing!
Oh, make this stop!
I often do that. I often love Jordie dance.
But Jordie's not enjoying it! Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon! Here we come, Jordie! Hurry! Gotcha! Get us back to the Magic Pet Center, please, Morphle.
Okie dokie!
Morphle, stop!
Put me down, Morphle.
Jordie, great dancer!
I am. Maybe I am.
Here we are, Jordie!
Got him! Oh no! Over left dancing show!
Animi, please zap those tap shoes and stop Jordie dancing!
What went wrong? Nothing. The shoes are still dancing because I'm making them dance. I love dancing.
Go, Jordie!
Yeah, let's all dance! Yeah!
This is going to be the best magic pet dance party yet!
Oh, I think the pets will love these balloons.
Countless sheep, stop!
He's chasing after Inkra. He must think they're playing again.
Daddy, we're back with more balloons!
Huh? They're asleep.
More like sleepy, and I know why. A pink cloud can only mean one thing. Count a sheep! We better stop him before he puts the whole town to sleep. We're gonna need some help to find him. Morphle, morph into something tall to give us a better view.
Just go slow, please.
Count a sheep! Count a sheep!
Look, it's Officer Freeze. Counter Sheep must have put him to sleep.
Don't get too close, Morphle.
Yeah, we don't want you to become a Brachiosaurus.
There he is! He's found Ingra and seems to have calmed down. Let's go.
It's pretty high.
It's gonna be okay, Jordie. Sliding is so fun. Uh-oh. Oh no! Counter Sheep's getting all excited again. Morphle, morph into a plane.
Morphle sleepy.
Come on, you can sleep in the plane. Come on, Morphle, we need to get rid of the sleep cloud.
Morphle help!
Get ready, Ingra. And now!
Welcome back, normal-sized Counter Sheep.
Now all we have to do is wake everyone up and go to our dance party.
Lazy Morphle help!
Yay! I'm glad everyone's awake.
Morphle hat!
Hey everyone, this is Slushy Seal. He'll cool you all down. Watch this.
Wow. According to the Magic Pet Primer, it can turn things into juice pops.
Morphle love juice pops!
I know you do, Morphle. But Eloisa can have this one because she's the youngest.
Strawberry, my favorite. Thanks, Slushy Seal. They're a magic match. Wow. Can you make that a juicy pop?
Hey!
And can you make that a juicy pop?
Ooh, that's cold.
Yeehaw! Juicy pops for everyone!
They're gonna turn everything into juice pops.
Don't worry, we'll get her back. Let's go.
Be careful!
This is not cool.
Actually, it's very cool.
Let's find Eloisa and Slushy Seal. Juicy pops everywhere.
Morphle no juice pop!
Morphle? Don't worry, Morphle. We'll get you out of there. But how? What's Eloisa's favorite juice pop flavor?
Strawberry.
Well, that's what you need to morph into, Morphle.
Morphle tasty strawberry!
Let's make a huge strawberry juicy pop! We gotta save them! Almost! Yes! Thank you! You're welcome. But you can't fill up Petport with huge juice pops.
And look what you've done to Orphle.
Sorry, we didn't see him.
Morphle no juice pop!
Hi, Daddy. We're here.
Oh, that's better.
Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah! Thank you, Slushy Seal.
Tasty juice pops.
I'm so glad to have my magic match. Morphle, would you like a juice pop?
Awful, no juice pop.